In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste tables from Grok AI to Microsoft Word without losing format. If you've ever copied a table straight from an AI chat and ended up with broken columns, misaligned headers, or strange spacing in Word, this walkthrough will fix that. We'll generate the table in Grok, copy it cleanly, and then use a free converter to produce a Word-ready docx that preserves the layout. Start by opening your browser and searching for Grok AI. Click the official Grok site to launch the chat. In the message box, type your prompt for the table you need. Be clear about columns, headers, and ordering so Grok returns a structured result. If you want the best fidelity later, it helps to mention that you want the output as a markdown table. When you're happy with your prompt, submit it and wait for the response to generate. Give the table a quick scan to confirm the headers, row count, and any special formatting like alignment or emphasis look correct. To copy the result without introducing unwanted styling, use the copy icon at the bottom of the chat. This grabs the formatted text directly, which is more reliable than dragging your mouse over the screen and copying manually. With the table now on your clipboard, open a new tab and search for BibSit. Click the BibSit site and then choose Try Now to open the live workspace. In the editor, click the area labeled Paste your copied markdown content here and paste your table. You should see your markdown appear instantly. Next, click Insert to let the tool process and render your content for export. Take a moment to preview what's displayed. If the headers, borders, and column alignment look right here, they'll carry over cleanly into Word. If something looks off, it usually means the original table wasn't fully copied, so it's worth going back to Grok and using the copy icon again. When the preview looks good, click Download, then choose Download as docx. Your browser will save a Word-compatible file to your Downloads folder. This docx preserves the table structure, including rows, columns, and header styling, so you can open it in Word and keep working without reformatting. That's the complete process. Visit Grok, generate your table, copy it with the built-in copy icon, paste into BibSit, insert, and download as docx. For best results, keep your prompt specific, always use the copy icon for a clean grab, and double-check the preview before downloading. Thanks for watching, and enjoy clean, dependable table formatting in Word every time.